You search for how to buy shares of WIX.com Limited. WIX is a cloud-based web development platform that helps people and businesses build websites and online stores. WIX trades on NASDAQ under the ticker WIX, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds to be able to buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker WIX to find the listing. Select the matching WIX.com Limited result to make sure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see a short company summary and a live price chart. Confirm the details match WIX.com Limited and that the ticker displays WIX. Click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you wish to invest, then carefully review the order before confirming the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the next session, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade completes, your new position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to open an account for practice or to follow these steps.